While reiterating Pakistan's unwavering commitment to peace, stability, and prosperity, the country's top military leadership has vowed that any Indian attempt to impose war would be responded to surely and decisively. ISPR, in a press release, stated that a special Corps Commander Conference was held at the General Headquarters, chaired by the Chief of the Army Staff, General Syed Asim Munir. Deliberate destabilization efforts by the Indian government, whether through the state actors or proxies, will be confronted and defeated with the clarity and resolve, the forum declared. Chairman Senate Yusuf Raza Gilani has said that India is attempting to divert the world's attention from the core issue of occupied Kashmir. Yusuf Raza Gilani made these remarks while addressing the inaugural ceremony of the Rotary International District Conference 2025 in Karachi. He stated that Pakistan is a peaceful country and is ready for a transparent investigation into the Pahalgam incident. Senior Congress leader Professor Saifuddin Soz has said that Pakistan has categorically denied any involvement in the Pahalgam attack, describing it as a conspiracy orchestrated by the Modi government. Professor Soz, in a statement, warned that any violation of the Indus Waters Treaty could lead to an open conflict between India and Pakistan. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has voiced grave concerns over the growing tensions between India and Pakistan, warning that any escalation could bring devastating consequences not only to the soldiers but to the ordinary people on the both sides of the border. Speaking to reporters in Srinagar, Farooq Abdullah said that diplomatic efforts to de-escalate the situation are also in motion. Authorities in occupied Kashmir have invoked draconian the Public Safety Act against at least 75 Kashmiris in the aftermath of the Pahalgam false flag operation on April 22nd. The Indian Forces personnel have so far arrested more than 2,500 people and demolished nearly 3 dozen homes during relentless cordon and search operations and raids across the occupied territory since the Pahalgam incident.